We are back in business. We are back in school. Holiday imeisha, tumerudi kwa ofisi, tumerudi kufundisha, tumerudi kupeana leseni, tumekuja kupeana ujuzi wa driving. Now, I remind you again of the offer that we have. The offer, this is the form actually. It's only one form. Haina mambo mengi. Unakuja unajaza hii form, you write your name, your contact, ID number, na the program yenye tunafanya. Na tulisema the sponsorship, the school pays 60% of 15,000 and the student pays 40% of 15,000. So for a few, I can say, to be honest enough, only a few have passed through our offices to pick up the form, and some have made inquiries through our number 0758503109. Wewe kama umemaliza shule na uko nyumbani, uko na age between 20 to 25, there is this opportunity. Usiache ipite. It started kutoka tarehe 5 na inaisha tarehe 20. Haimaanishi ukikuja unalipa immediately. You collect the form, fill in the form, go prepare yourself. The trainings are starting from 2nd of February. All the sponsorship zenye zimetokea ya RedSafe, all the branches, training is officially kuanzia tarehe 2. Currently, we are only doing registration. Registration ni gani? Kuja chukua form, soma maagizo, go with the form, digest. Ukiona uko sawa, bring back the form. If you are not okay, you can stay with the form. Sahi tu ni preparation. The training inakuja tarehe 2. Kwa nini uache hii nafasi ikupite? Kwa nini uache hii nafasi usipate ujuzi? Even within that 1 month, kama utakuwa uko sawa, I assure you personally, Madam RedSafe will extend a period for you to train. Usikae mtaani bure. Wewe kuja kijana, kuja soma, pata ujuzi, pata leseni yako. We assist. Ukimaliza mtihani, we guide you on how to book the interim. We guide you on how to book for the smart driving license. The smart driving license is for 3 years. Why not take this opportunity with RedSafe Training and Driving School, ambayo ni shule ya watu wote, na madam anakungojea hapo. Patie form, ujaze na ujiunge na sisi. Karibuni.